Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video. Now let us talk about the default parameters. So suppose we have a function def user info first name comma last name comma age colon print. Using the string formatting we have f then double quotes your first name is first name in the placeholders, then in the next line print f then quotes your last name is in the placeholder last name, then in the next line print f your age is in the placeholder age. And now since we have to print it, we are passing arguments like user info ln amin 24. So now let us see what is the output. So your first name is ln amin and age is 24. Now what if we write the age as 23, like what was the parameter age? Now we have given certain value, that is age equal to 23, and here we are not giving age as the argument. So now let us try to run the program. So as age equal to 23, this is the default parameter, which is the parameter which is already defined by the function or inside the function and can be modified. That is, we can modify this once we run it. So we are getting the output as alien amin and 23. Now what if we change the default parameter? So like in the input we give ln amin 24. So let us see. Yeah, we can see that the parameter is, or the argument that we pass, which is 24, is updated in the age variable. So here we had age as the default parameter. Similarly, we can make last name as the default parameter. Let's say we write last name equal to unknown, and we have last name unknown and age 23. And now let us try to print it by giving just one argument, that is alien. So user info alien, that is all the argument that we pass. We are not giving the last name nor the age. And now let us run this. So it is giving first name alien and then unknown, last name is unknown, and then age is 24. So this is how the default parameters work. Now you must be wondering, what if we give last name as default parameter and keep age as a normal parameter? Let us do that. We are giving age as nothing, and now let us try to run this, and the input that we give are alien and comma 24. Let us run this and see, here we are getting error. We are not getting the output we expected. This is because we can only define default parameters in the last. That is, we cannot define default parameters in between, because the compiler cannot differentiate whether it is a default parameter or not, or a normal parameter. So it will consider the last parameters as default parameters and not any parameters as default parameters which are defined after a default parameter. That might be a little bit confusing, but the thing is, you cannot define default parameters in between, or you cannot define a normal parameter just after a default parameter. To keep it simple, we just give this function as user info first name last name equal to unknown, age equal to none. So now sometimes this none is considered as 0, but this none is not 0 here. It will be printed none as it is. Okay, so let us just give only single parameter and see what is the output. So first name is alien, then last name is unknown, age is none. There is another case in which if we give first name as unknown, last name as a non-default parameter and age equal to none. And again if we try to run it, so it will give a syntax error which says non-default argument follows default argument. That is what I said in the previous statement. So this is how you define and use default parameters in order to reduce the number of parameters, or in order to give some default values previously, so to make the program to run at ease.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.